Good morning, student. In last period, we learned the characteristic properties of plastic and uses of plastic. Today, we learn what are the biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials. We see that in our surrounding, many materials which we use are decomposed easily by the natural process. And also, there are some materials which do not decompose easily, therefore it does not converted into simpler substance by natural processes. So, the materials around us are classified into two categories. These categories are called biodegradable category and non-biodegradable. So, what are biodegradable materials? The materials which get decomposed through natural processes by the action of bacteria are called biodegradable materials. So, biodegradable materials are decomposed easily by the natural processes and converted into a simpler substance. What are the examples of biodegradable materials? The peels of vegetables and fruits. We know that when we eat banana, we remove the peels of banana, and these banana peels are decomposed by the natural process in some ways. Therefore, peels of vegetables and fruits, leftover foodstuffs, paper, cotton cloth, wood, woolen cloths, etc. are examples of biodegradable material. On the other hand, what are non-biodegradable materials? Some materials around us which do not decompose easily by natural processes are called non-biodegradable materials. The materials which do not easily decompose by natural processes are called non-biodegradable materials. What are the examples of non-biodegradable materials? The article made from plastics are example of non-biodegradable materials, and tin, aluminium and other metal cans are also example of non-biodegradable. In your textbook, one table is given on the page number 38, table number 33, types of waste, approximate time taken to degenerate and nature of materials. Whether it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable are given on the page number 38 in this lesson, table number 32. So such materials are given in column 1, and time required to degenerate or degrade is given in column number 2, and nature of materials, whether it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable, are given in column number 3. Now, one more question: why should we avoid uses of plastic? We know that plastic are non-biodegradable material. It causes pollution of soil, water and air. Plastic is not environment friendly, and plastic chokes up the respiratory and digestive system of animal who swallowing the plastic bags, and these animals are died due to swallowing of this bag, etc. Therefore, we should avoid the use of plastic as far as possible. The plastic are non-environment friendly. They release poisonous gases on burning, which causes environmental pollution. They are not biodegradable material. It means that these plastic cannot be decomposed easily by natural processes. Plastic create pollution of soil, water and air. Animal chokes on swallowing polythene bags and die, and polythene bags clog the drains. Their drain also clogging of drains is due to the uses of plastic which flow into the drains and ultimately chok the drain. Therefore, use of plastic should be avoided as far as possible. Thank you.